Hi, I'm Brandi Baldwin, the Rocheport Project Director for this Rocheport Bridge replacement project. We're here today to give you an update on the work that's being started here. And you can see we have some equipment in the river getting ready to drill shafts for the project. Drilling the shafts will take several months. It'll be a while before we see anything coming out of the river. You'll see all of the equipment in the river, but for you to see something substantial of the bridge itself, it's going to be a few months. For this work in the river, we shouldn't see any traffic impacts. All of this work that we've been doing is to try and minimize the traffic impacts. But come spring, when we need to start building that third lane, specifically on the west side, we'll start seeing some traffic impacts that will happen overnight for us to build out that third lane. For further project updates, you can go to our website at modot.org/Rocheport Bridge.